From the problem, the man walks from home to market, and again he walks from market to home. Therefore, the man finally reached the initial point. In this case, the displacement equal to 0. Therefore, the average velocity equal to displacement by time equal to 0 by 50 minutes equal to 0. Average speed equal to total distance by total time, that equal to 2.5 plus 2.5 by 5 by 6 hours, that equal to 5 kilometer by 5 by 6 hours, that equal to 5 into 6 by 5 equal to 6 kilometers per hour. From the data, first we can find the time intervals. First we find time taken for first third distance. T1 is equal to S by 10. Then we find time taken for second third distance. T2 equal to S by 20. Then time taken for third distance. T3 equal to S by 60 hours. Now we are going to find average speed or mean speed equal to total distance by total time. In this problem, total distance is taken as 3s and total time equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3, that is equal to 3s by S by 10 plus S by 20 plus S by 60. When we solve this problem, we get mean speed equal to 3s by 10 by 60 equal to 3s by 10s into 60 equal to 18 kilometers per hour. Alternate method. There is an alternate method to solve this problem. That is, we can write the given data. V1 equal to 10 kilometers per hour, V2 is equal to 20 kilometers per hour, V3 is equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Average speed is equal to 3 V1 V2 V3 by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. When we substitute the values in the formula, finally the average speed equal to 18 kilometers per hour.